Namaste and a very good evening to all of you. I welcome you to my channel, The Outlier. My name is Mithun. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to create a barcode in Microsoft Excel. I repeat, the topic of today's video is how to create a barcode using Microsoft Excel. Even before I proceed to demonstrate how to create a barcode using Microsoft Excel, may I request you to subscribe to my channel, also like and share my videos. Let's begin by talking about the example data that we have. As you can see here, there are three very simple columns in this particular data set. The first column is the item column. The second column is the product ID. And the third column is barcode. We will be creating the barcode in this particular column. For example, if you look at the first item, it is a furniture. You can see here the product ID. Similarly, the second item here is office supplies. You have the corresponding product ID. Thirdly, you have furniture and the corresponding product ID. What we would like to do here is to generate a barcode for each and every product ID in column number C. How do we begin this process? The first thing that we need to do is select product ID. I will be selecting all the 5 items that are present in product ID. Once you choose product ID, you can go to the home menu bar. Here, you're able to see the number group. I repeat, in the home menu bar, you can locate the number group. Please click on the group icon. You can see here, this is the number group icon, which you can go ahead and click. Once you click on, the format cells window will open up. You can see here, this is the window which is called as format cells. In the left-hand side, you have what is called as category list. There are different items here. You can go to the option of text. So this is what we will be doing. We will be choosing the option text. What Excel does is it gives a short description of what this particular option does. It says text format cells are treated as text even when a number is in the cell. So what we are doing is we are converting the data type to text, though there are a few numbers. The cell is displayed exactly as entered. This will not change the value in the cell. It is just that the cell is getting treated as a text. Let me click on the option OK. With this, what we have done is to treat column C as text. Once we do this, the next thing to perform would be to write a formula. How do we write a formula? In the cell below barcode, what you can do is you can simply put an equal to sign. Within double quotes, you can use a star mark or what we normally refer to as asterisk mark. Close the double quotes. So what I've done is within the double quotes, I have put a asterisk symbol. After this, you can use the ampersand sign. Once you've used the ampersand sign, you can select the product ID that you wish to specify. After this, we are going to again use the ampersand sign. After using the ampersand sign, the next thing that you can do is to use the star mark within double quotes. So what I've done here is to put a star mark within double quotes. You can go ahead and hit the enter button. Now what this does is it gives you the barcode format. I repeat, what this does is it gives you the barcode format. I can go ahead and apply this particular formula for the rest of the cells. You can see here, by dragging this particular formula and using the autofill, I've been able to create the barcode format so far. So we have performed two steps. One is to convert the cells in product ID as text. And secondly, we have written a formula which will give me the barcode format. Once you're through with this, the third step is to change the font. How do I change the font? To change the font, what you can do is you can select on one of the cells. Under the font section, you can use the drop-down menu. There are different types of font here. Let me drag and try to identify the font type which I want. You can see here, this is the option which I would like to specify. The name of this particular option is CIA code 39. I repeat, the font type that I will be choosing is CIA code 39. Once I select this particular option, you can clearly see here our barcode has been generated for a particular product ID. So this is how simple it is to generate a barcode for a product ID. Now what you can do is you can go ahead and select all of the cells and choose the same font type. Once you choose the same font type, you'll be able to see the barcode for each and every product that is there in the spreadsheet. So this is our barcode corresponding to each and every product. Now, there is one simple problem here. What is that problem? That problem is that Excel does not have this particular option as an inbuilt function in Microsoft. I repeat, Excel does not have the font type, namely CIA code 39, my apologies, I'll repeat this. Excel does not have the font type CIA code 39 as an inbuilt feature. What we need to do is we need to enable this particular feature in Microsoft Excel. Question is, how do we activate this particular feature in Microsoft Excel? For example, if you want to replicate the same thing which I am doing in your Microsoft Excel application, I'm sure the CIA code 39 feature will not be present in this drop-down list. But don't worry, there's a very easy way in which you can activate this particular font type in Excel. How do we do this? Now, to give you a workaround, what you can do is you can go to internet. You can see here, you can open up any browser. Google Chrome would do. Once you come to the Google search engine, in this particular option, you have to specify the name of the website from where we can go ahead and download the CIA code 39 feature. I will be providing you the link of the website in the description. You can go ahead and click on the link and download the appropriate font type, which will allow you to generate the barcode. All that you need to do is type DIA font. I repeat, you have to just type DIA font and hit the enter button. You can see here, The first option here is DA. There is a small correction here. This is not DIA. This is DA. My apologies for this. We have to just type DA font. So the first link that you see here is DA font, download fonts. Let me go ahead and click on this particular option. Once you click on the DA font, you can see here the website link, www.dafont.com. Here you see a lot of options. Let me draw your attention to what is called as the barcode option. You can see here, when you hover the mouse on top of this particular feature, it is barcode. You can go ahead and click on the barcode option in the website dafont.com. Once you click on the barcode option, it takes a couple of moments for the different options of barcode to be displayed. You can see here, these are some of the options available. You can experiment with any of the barcode types. For example, the first option that it presents is code 128, and this is how the code will look like. You can go ahead and hit the download button here. Secondly, you also have another option which is called as barcode font. I'll ignore these two options. Then you have some other features like code 39, 3 of 9 barcode, C code 39, QR font, TFB. I'm not interested in any of these features. I like to scroll further down, and you can see here, when I scroll down, you can see there's an option called as CIA code 39. This is the option that I want. I would like to download this particular option called as CIA code 39. You can see here, this is the representation of the barcode CIA code 39. Once you have identified and made up your mind to select a particular barcode, you need to hit the download button here. You can see here at the right hand side, there's a download button. Please go ahead and click on the download button. It may take a couple of moments for it to download. You can see here, there is a zip file that is present in the downloads folder. Let me go to the downloads folder here. So this is the zip file, CIA_39, which is a zip file. You can simply right click and choose extract all. Select a destination and extract files. You can select any particular destination and hit the extract button to unpack the contents of the particular folder. Let me go back one step. Go to the zip file here. Okay, let me go one step back, and I have this particular file folder, CIA_code 39. This is the file. Let me double click. You can choose the option of install. It says the CIA code 39 medium text font is already installed. Do you want to replace it? Since I've already installed it once, I don't need to reinstall this. So when it asks me this question, do you want to replace it? I'll obviously select no. You can go ahead and select the yes button. After installation, what you can do is you can go back and select this particular file, right click and choose copy. Please select the option copy here. After copying, the next thing that you can do is go to my computer. You can see here this PC. So let me go ahead and select this PC. Further, you have what is called as the C drive. In the C drive section, you can choose the option Windows. Inside the Windows folder, make sure that you move on to the fonts folder. You can see here the location I'm specifying, this PC, then I've clicked C drive and then Windows. The path is very, very important. Please go to C drive, Windows. Inside Windows, you have a folder which is called as the fonts folder. You can double click on the fonts folder. It will open up the different options for font. All that you need to do here is right click and simply paste, or you can also just do a Control V and the file will be pasted here. It may take a couple of moments to paste this particular feature. You can see here, since I've already pasted this once, it is appearing as CIA code 39 text medium. So this is what it will display once you paste the file inside the fonts folder. I'll repeat. Please make sure that inside the C drive, you will be having what is called as the Windows folder. Inside the Windows folder, there's another folder which is called as fonts folder. Within the fonts folder, you have to copy paste the file which you have installed in the download section. So make sure that this option CIA code 39 is pasted here. What this does is, this simply does the following. This font will now be available in Microsoft Excel font box. The moment you paste this particular font here in the folder, this font will now be available in Microsoft Excel font box. So once you do this, you can come to Excel, and here in the font box, when you click on the drop-down menu, you should be able to see this particular feature, CIA code 39. So this is the feature which will allow you to generate the barcode. One very, very important option here is that the barcode is completely automated. I repeat, the barcode that you're seeing here is completely automated. For example, let us say I change the product ID. Let me give a new product ID. You can see here, you are able to see a different barcode, right? You can choose any of these particular options. You can go back to the earlier option itself, or I can give, let's say, off hyphen, let's say, AL. Hit enter. You can see here, this is the barcode for off hyphen AL hyphen 01 hyphen whatever number you specify. Similarly, you can play around with the next option as well. You can just change this to FUR $577,164. Some product ID for which the barcode is automatically getting changed. So this is how you can go ahead and create a barcode in Excel. Remember, I have specified one particular font, namely CIA code 39, depending on the requirement that you have from the website that I showed you, that is dafont.com. You can download any of the font types. With this, I have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we have seen how to create a barcode in Excel. Secondly, we have also seen a very, very useful website, namely dafont.com. And from this particular website, you can choose any of the font types that you want. Once you download and install a particular font type, you can copy and paste this in the fonts folder within C drive Windows folder. Once you paste this, this particular font type will be available to you. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. I request you to subscribe to my channel, also like and share my videos. Thank you very much once again. Have a great day ahead.